Baby, let me show you how I made this bomb-ass Cremas Banana pudding. It was so good. But go ahead and get you some already whipped cream cheese because ain't nobody got time. Get your Nestle vanilla essence, your cannelle, and baby, get you some cremas. You finna add that bit in. Go ahead and mix that bit up. In another bowl, go ahead and get you some Jello, banana and vanilla. We finna add that bit in. Add in your cold milk. Blend that bit up. When she ready, go ahead and add her to the other bowl. You finna mix that bit up. Get you some Cool Whip. You finna go ahead and fold that bit in there. I'm gonna use both vanilla wafers and chestnut cookies. Go ahead and start layering your pudding. You're gonna do cookies first, then add in your pudding. Do more cookies. I did only one banana. I'm gonna add in more pudding. I'm gonna put these chestnut cookies around the room. And yeah, I'm just gonna keep layering her until I get to the top. And yeah, this is her. And one thing for certain and two things for sure, me and my mans, we finna eat good every time. Period.